What we have here is a PSB7 Paranormal Busters mod, and what's going in, it's into the AM antenna, it's scanning at AM 400 ms, which is being fed into a guitar amp, which has a big speaker for voice amplitude, voice amplitude, voice amplitude. It's picking up ghosts. And with this modification, you can plug audio electronic voice phenomena audio recorders into the AM antenna. This audio recorder is receiving EVP, electronic voice phenomena, sending it into the PSB7 spirit box AM antenna. You hear that? There you go. Live ghosts through the Olympus PSB7 combination, guitar amp combination. When you hear ghosts. Hello guys, how are you? Try that. This audio recorder, you can buy it on ghoststop.com. Has an in and an out. You can monitor the recording. If this audio recorder was not MP3 player, MP3 recording, we'd hear ghosts better. But the audio recorder, the recording is being fed live. It's not recording, stop, press, play, listen later. No. It's recording, sending the audio recording, monitoring the audio recording into, I can hear you, into the Paranormal Busters modification. Just being fed, yeah, it's being fed into the AM antenna. Now you got a scanner with EVP recorder. PSB7 Spirit Box electronic voice phenomena. Analog, nothing digital. No, it's not a ghost app. Analog. Hello, who's here? Now, if a ghost speaks, he's heard. If he doesn't speak, then you don't hear nothing. But I hear some come through. Science. Go study science if you want to do ghost hunting. I'm going to let the ghosts talk away. I'm going to go make myself a coffee so I can have some cigarettes. Okay. Did anything say anything? Got my coffee. Got my cigarettes. Coffee with ghosts. Nothing special about it. Just having a coffee. Because coffees go with smoke. Chilling. Did you guys hear anything? If you did, it came through the audio recorder. The electronic voice phenomena went into the AM antenna. Two devices coming out of the amp. Did you guys hear anything? I wasn't here, I don't know. Is anybody here? That's how you do live electronic voice phenomena. If this EVP recorder was not MP3 and it had it in and out, it would be better. Hello? Yeah, someone's coming through. Hey, how are you? Who are you? Turn up the volume. Gain. Gain. Which is why spirits will say, gain. They want to be heard. They want to be heard. Hello, who are you? One problem with the PSB7 spirit box right now, it's on full battery power. Full battery power on PSB7 spirit box is bad for ghost communication. Make sure you drain your batteries a little bit on the PSB7 spirit box, especially if it's modded. Any mod. Are we learning? Hello, hello. Now, if someone spoke, that means the ghost was here. If they're only going to talk when I'm present, that means they're following me. Hello, hello. What? Who are you? I know you're saying, oh, I'm not hearing anything. Like I said, the PSB7 spirit box has full battery life. That's not good for ghost communication. Drain your batteries. So I'm letting it drain. Trying to see if it's coming in on full power. Full power is not good. Drain your PSB7 batteries, low batteries, 2 bars, 3 bars at tops, or else it hinders communication. Did you see that? That's EVP coming through the audio recorder, going to the PSB7. Hello, would you say? MP3, if it wasn't MP3, we'd hear it better. But that's how they come. The EVP. Hello? Try your best. Speak up. Who are you? Just speak into this device right here. That's all you got to do. Talk into these devices. Speak near these devices so I can hear you. Are you a ghost? What? Yeah, I can hear you. Put on your headphones. There's low voices that are being amplified. It means I raised the volume. This is how you hear ghosts live, through an electronic voice phenomena audio recorder that feeds into an AM PSB7 antenna as it's scanning. Huh? Go try that. Coming out of a guitar amp. It's a big magnet inside. Science. No hocus pocus. Real ghosts. You hear that? Hey, what's going on? What? Like I said, the batteries are full. It's hindering the signal. Let's let it drain. Hello. My session is almost over. Who are you? What? We'll try different functions. Do you got different functions on your guitar amp? What? Yeah, I can help you. How? How exactly? Do you want me to pray for you?